video, it's me, Teacher Benny, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the new update that just dropped. So, nothing has changed on the map, but we have got a new gun. Alright, where are we dropping? I did not think this through. Let's just land Coney, even though this is a terrible drop. So there's a new gun called the Anvill Missile, I think it's called now. I think it used to be called something cool. It's perfect. Okay. And we also are going to be able to get new guns later on with the MK versus the combat AR. And hold up, let me murder this man. Hey bro, plus. Where are you, plus?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, you're here. Right, kill that guy.
Oh, what the?
Okay. We're also gonna be able to like vote for other things. We've already got the battle bus. Well, that's self-explanatory. It's a battle bus, and I haven't made a video on it, but I was going to, but I had a few issues, which then lead into me not being able to record that. So, anyway, right now we're just gonna have to do this update. So now let's try to find this Anvil Missile. Now let me explain what the Anvil Missile does. The Anvil Missile tracks vehicles, and then the rocket chases it until it explodes it. Anyway, right now we're just gonna loot up real quick, and then we'll go destroy that tank. If you want, you can actually try firing a few shots at it. I think it's better to destroy vehicles from above because they can't aim up. Ow! Not a very positive moment. Okay, let's see. This would be perfect. Yeah, oh my god! Okay, that never happened. Okay. I didn't know they could aim that high. That's about it. You need to go down, but you can if you want to die.
Yeah, I better go down.
Okay, I mean, you can try. If you die, it's on you. Excuse me. I'm coming up. I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, I'm coming down. Hey yo, catch me! I'm not risking that for the biscuit bread. Wait, they're taking a break. They're taking a break. They jumped out the tank. I heard them jump out. Wait, no, that's And you are dead, sir. Dead. Oh, he's coming for my butt. Butt is in 40, my good sir. Oh no! Got shot a bit. I'm gonna hop in the tank and just bomb them, okay?
I'm hopping in the tank.
Okay, I guess I'll be gunner. Wait, where's he? I thought that crow was a guy. Yep. His first suited build. Nice.
Got him.
There's nobody having an Anvil Missile. Alright, well, please tell me you saw one.
I was playing earlier.
Oh, we got the Anvil Missile!
You found.
Here's
I said it was impossible.
Okay, don't pick it up. Hold up. Here's the Anvil Missile. Alright, now let's test this out. Wait, there's a kid. I want to try it. Wait, what? Oh, sick! Hold on. Okay, I want to. How much damage does this do to players? Alright, well, let's murder this man first. It was that easy. You're trash. Let's test it on. Bro, I think we're gonna have to test it on a tank. No, we're not. No, we're not gonna save the tank. We're gonna. I mean, we are gonna save the tank. Kid, wait. Yeah. Oh, I blew that up. Wait, kid.
I got him.
Whoa! Ow! This is not going according to plan.
Got him. Alright.
Oh my god! Okay, I forgot that this goes straight up. That's kind of sucky. But everything's okay. It's all going according to plan.
Yep, definitely.
Yep. Keep this. Okay. But I need to find a car. Let's go back to the tank and then we'll find a car. So this is the Anvill Rocket. As soon as you shoot it, goes straight up into the air and then smashes down on the opponent. Or vehicle. Most likely vehicle because it latches onto vehicles. Alright, well, let's get in the tank and then we're gonna go find a vehicle. I keep saying vehicle. I don't know why I'm just not saying car. It feels natural saying
drive.
vehicle. Well, I'll drive because you suck at driving. Let's be honest here. Oh my god, we found a car to use it on. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, so here's what it does. It's aim at the target, let it latch on. Boom. Wait, now we're gonna do a test. Wait, Jaden,
Now
get in it.
it did half damage on the car.
Oh, I can't shoot it whenever like you're in it. Alright, come on, let's get back in the tank. Now, if somebody's driving away from us, we're gonna use this on it so you guys can see what it looks like when somebody's driving away. So I'm just gonna like tell you guys what it does. It basically just follows them. I have 2 more shots with this, so that's a problem. There has to be somebody I can.
There's a circle. I'll get in the other tank.
Alright, all the good's gone. Let's get in that one. Switch feet so I can drive.
Right, well, let's go destroy that tank.
Oh yeah. Wait, I want to try the rocket on him. Or you could just kill him. Okay. There's nobody to use this on. I wonder how much damage it does, or if it does damage against someone. I feel like it's extremely hard to hit someone with this. Because it sits in one place and it takes a bit to go down.
Usually you have to shoot them from far.
Unless somebody's in like a base and they just have the roof open. Then that's easy. Oh, you need to go to circle.
All the way.
Wait, let's honk. The honk is terrifying. Stop shooting. That is scary. Okay. Can a tank go over a river? How the heck is this thing not sinking?
And there's another tank over there.
Wait, this is a perfect. No, we're sinking. Alright, let's
Use it.
Let's use the anti-air missile. Where's the tank? Oh, there it is. It's already exploded. Let's go murder them. Let's try murdering them. What? Real good. What the heck? anti-air missile him?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
You're dying to AIs, my good sir.
Rocket.
An anti-air missile?
Yeah. They have legit aimbot.
Run, there's a launch pad here.
I'm running.
Oh, well, I'll take the launch pad. Wait, where'd the launch pad go? I swear there's a launch pad here. Hey, let's try. Our tank's been exploded. We can still, wait, did you get an anti-air missile?
Yeah.
What rarity?
I just got it from.
Wait, what rarity is it?
Blue.
Okay. Wait, can I have the rocket ammo?
Oh yeah, I can give you some rocket ammo.
I have 2 shots with this thing, bro. I really want to use this on a moving vehicle. But I wonder,
Yes.
wait, can I lock it on? Okay, wait, okay, I'm gonna shoot the rocket at it and then you're gonna jump in it, okay?
Wait, what?
Okay, so get ready to jump in the car, okay? I'm gonna shoot at it, okay? Don't get
Bro,
in
if I
yet.
die.
No, you're not gonna die. You ready? No, get out. Not yet. Hey, wait. Go. Run! Did you really just sit still?
Yeah.
Oh my, whatever. Okay, wait, okay,
It
let's
didn't
try
take
again.
any damage.
Let's try again, let's try again. But this time, drive away. Oh, never mind.
Oh god.
Who wants to shoot again? Who wants to shoot? Are you shooting at me, sir? Just wondering. Dead. I'm sorry, sir. Were you shooting at us? I wanted. Is there somebody in the bush? I shot past the bush. Okay, thank you for your generous donation.
Do they have any stuff over there? I need to go.
There's a mythic over there, but I don't like that mythic, so.
I already have a mythic.
Wait, let's get it. Wait, let me in. What are you doing, bro? Okay, go. Oh, somebody else has one.
I need to get healed. That's why I'm coming here. Perfect parking.
Yeah, perfect. I think we might win actually. We have a good chance.
Did you really just steal that from me?
You got any more rocket ammo?
No. Well, yeah.
How much do you have? So.
You said if I had any. Bro, I'm gonna be dead if I don't find heals.
I just cracked this kid.
Oh, I found another rocket.
You got some tender butt cheeks, my good sir. Can I have a bite? Do you think I can have a bite? Is this man shooting wood with a fire torch? And he thinks, wait. Get on, buddy. Oh, dang! Where are you going? That's what it looks like. That's awesome. Oh, we got a purple one. We got a purple one. Combat SMGs, I just want to tell you guys, OP. I have one more shot with this. And we have a duo, hopefully bots, but we don't know. I mean, if they're hiding from us, then they're probably bots. Or they're waiting for the perfect time to strike in their sweats. Wait, a bounty!
Did I really just fall? Okay, whatever. Oh, they're next to us.
Oh, they are.
Chase them down.
Hopefully they're bots. Oh, I hear them.
Oh, they're over here. Yeah.
They're in here. Nice.
They're not down there.
Are you kidding me, bro? I see them. They're on this
Pretty
side.
sure we won.
Just break this roof and then they're right here. Wait, no, they're they're under this part. You ready? Hold up. They put
Wait,
bombs.
let me reload.
They put bombs.
Oh, they're right here.
I'm coming.
Got one of them.
Nice. Anvill Rockets that I don't have any ammo for. I'm an Anvil, not ammo. And like, subscribe, ring the bell icon to be notified for new videos. Not every day. Sorry about that. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one.